Imagine waking up to a Lamborghini, not in a garage, but as your home on wheels. Yes, you heard that right. This is the all-new 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome truck, and today on RV TourHub, we're taking you inside one of the boldest, wildest, and most luxurious motorhomes ever imagined. Buckle up, because this is not just an RV, this is a statement. The moment you step inside, the interior hits you with pure Lamborghini DNA. Sharp angles, premium materials, and a cockpit-inspired design welcome you in. Carbon fiber accents line the walls, ambient LED lighting changes mood with a single touch, and the leather upholstery feels straight out of a supercar. The driver's area blends seamlessly into the living space, giving you a futuristic, open feel. Every button, every screen, every detail screams performance and luxury, even when you're parked. Now let's move into the bedroom, where speed meets comfort. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with Lamborghini-stitched leather headboard and soft-touch panels surrounding you. Smart lighting, soundproof insulation, and panoramic side windows turn this space into a private luxury suite. Built-in wardrobes, hidden storage, and a climate-controlled environment ensure that no matter where you travel, rest always comes first. Next up is the living area, and this is where the motorhome truly comes alive. A spacious lounge with a U-shaped sofa wraps around a sleek center table, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. The sofa easily converts into additional sleeping space, while a massive Ultra HD display folds out from the wall. Whether you're watching movies, editing travel footage, or just enjoying the view outside, this space feels more like a high-end penthouse than an RV. Now let's step into the bathroom, compact, but insanely premium. You get a full glass enclosed rain shower, modern matte black fixtures, and a designer sink with smart mirrors. High-quality finishes, anti-slip flooring, and advanced ventilation make it both stylish and practical. It's proof that luxury doesn't need extra space, just smart design. Finally, the kitchen, a dream for life on the road. A fully equipped modular kitchen includes an induction cooktop, built-in oven, refrigerator, and smart storage cabinets. The countertops are durable yet elegant, designed to handle real travel while still looking ultra-modern. Whether it's a quick coffee or a full meal, this kitchen delivers supercar-level excellence. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome truck, where power, luxury, and adventure collide. If you love unique RVs like this, make sure to subscribe to RV TourHub, because the road ahead has never looked this exciting.